This is an update for the copart listing of the 2011 International prostar. I'm just going to go through some of the larger receipts. So this is for 28 and change. So this is for the drive shaft. Here we have 384. That's for the steering shaft. This is for the turbocharger. Like I said, I got it from hdturbo.com. And that's for the Shepherd gearbox, brand new gearbox that I put on the truck. Now as for the shop repairs, this repair was done, well, just a little over a year ago. And this is the one where we did, I think we did the injector, camshaft, and a bunch of other work as well. So that was $10,000. And then, let's see if this is the transmission. No, this is 1027. So this is when we did the intake camshaft as well as 6 rockers. As you can see, that was close to 7,000. And this is the tranny job. We put a new transmission in. Clutch, easy pedal clutch. See, that was 6,500. I mean, there's other receipts as well, just minor stuff, wheel seals, random stuff that I had to buy for the truck myself. Tried to take care of the truck. There's a lot of work put into this truck, so if somebody's, guys are gonna be bidding on it. I used it every day. If you get this truck, you can go ahead and use it and start making money right away.